Thunderstorms happen year-round in Arizona, but they are most common during monsoon season, mid-June through September. Severe thunderstorms can produce heavy rain, flash flooding, severe winds, hail, and lightning. Dry thunderstorms are very common in the western United States. While a storm may not produce rain, it can produce lightning, which may cause injury or wildfires. Learn how to stay safe when you know a thunderstorm is on its way. The best way to be prepared is to learn about thunder and lightning. Wet, humid conditions may cause thunderstorms to develop. Thunderstorms may occur singly, in clusters, or lines. Oftentimes, thunder affects one location for an extended period of time. It may produce heavy rain for a short period or up to an hour. 10% of thunderstorms are classified as severe, meaning it can produce large hail, winds higher than 58 miles per hour, or a tornado. Lightning is unpredictable, increasing the risk to people and property. It can strike up to 10 miles away from the storm, too far away to hear the warning call of thunder. Prepare your family and home. Write a family communication plan and make an emergency supplies kit. Watch local television or listen to the radio for weather forecasts and stay aware of changes in the outlook. There are ways you can stay safe if lightning hits while you are outside. If in the trees, seek shelter in a low area under a thick growth of the smallest trees. If in an open area, go to the lowest place you see, such as a ravine or valley. Be alert for flash floods. If on the water, get to land immediately and take shelter. If you feel your hair stand on end, lightning is about to strike very near you. Squat low to the ground on the balls of your feet. Put your hands over your ears and tuck your head between your knees. Try to make yourself as small as possible. Limit your contact with the ground. Do not lay flat on the ground. Stay away from hilltops, open fields, the beach, and any tall, isolated trees in the area. If you are inside when lightning hits, do not touch any electrical equipment or corded items. Unplug appliances, computers, and televisions to avoid a power surge. Turn off air conditioning. Stay away from plumbing and water. Do not wash your hands, take a shower, wash dishes, or do laundry. Stay away from windows, doors, and porches. Do not lie on concrete floors or lean against concrete walls. Be aware of anything metal, including bikes, sheds, and the like. If someone was struck by lightning, call 911 for medical assistance, then do the following. If the person has stopped breathing, begin mouth-to-mouth resuscitation. If the person's heart has stopped, begin CPR. If the person has a pulse and is breathing, look for other injuries. Look for burns on the body to see where lightning may have entered and left. After the storm has passed, remember not to drive through a flooded roadway. Stay away from storm damaged areas, debris on the road, and downed power lines. Keep pets close by. Check with your local emergency manager and ask about the emergency plans for your area. Learn the terms associated with thunderstorms. Severe Thunderstorm Watch tells you when and where severe thunderstorms are likely to occur. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued when severe weather has been reported by spotters or indicated by radar. Warnings indicate immediate danger to those in the path of the storm. Watch the sky and stay tuned to the television or internet for information. Visit ein.az.gov for more information and tips.